Okay guys, so I'm gonna drain the motor oil now, the royal purple. Guys, don't do what I did. I was checking out this one instead of that one. I don't know why. My dumbness. So I had to put it back in the right way. I was taking it out and I figured, I'm like, fuck, there's no oil coming out of this one. Why? It was really hard. And until I noticed it was the wrong one, so careful guys, don't do what I did. But you can see already motor oil looks burned out, and it's probably like around, I don't know, maybe 45% of still motor of oil. Last time I checked, about 1 week ago, it's about 50. So I gotta be careful with this. Ew. Ouch, scared me. So yeah, look at that royal coffee, royal coffee, not royal purple, royal coffee. Yeah. Look at my hand. Yeah, nasty, dirty. Gonna have to wash it out right now. Smells nasty too, burny. And we'll be back with this guy right now. Okay guys, so I actually decided to do this after 3 hours. It's already like around 8:10, 8:20 p.m. in Los Angeles time, LA time. So this is the motor oil, the royal purple. It's a little dirty. I actually didn't clean up the pan, but it's a little dirty, but that it came out of the motor, so don't get scared. And yeah, this is about 45% of motor oil use, so it's pretty burned out. I mean, it's pretty ugly, honestly. It is ugly. Besides royal purple being dark, it got darker. This, however, this is Castrol CVT transmission oil. Look how black it is. And I already changed it not so long ago, maybe I would say 8 months ago, the most 8 months ago. And I actually like this color light. I love it. I wish it would actually look like that. But anyway, yeah, it's nasty, it's dirty, and I'm glad it's out of the system on my car. Honestly, I am. So what are we looking at after that? Right here. That's what we're looking at. And everything right here. Those babies, motor, CVT. This little baby to put in. Actually, end up buying this also. Additive to save money, improve maybe a little bit of horsepower. So this is going to be going after maybe tomorrow once I filled up my tank. And yep, this is where we're looking at. I got 2 other of this out already, and just gonna clean this just a little thing over here, funnel, and we're gonna go through it. Okay guys, I already put 1 quart on the transmission, and I'm honestly super surprised the color of this CVT transmission oil from Amsoil. I'm actually really surprised, really impressed. See, that's the one. I really love the color of this oil. Oh, look at that. Really green. Super clean. It's just, I don't know, it looks almost like an antifreeze color. But look at that, it's beautiful. And look how the oil beats off right away. It just jumps, super, I don't know, it's just awesome. Look at that. Let me just try to focus this a little better. Probably my camera is a little dirty, but there we go. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. It's incredible. I really love it. Look. I could play with this all day. Keep staring at it. Wow. Can't wait to run this baby. Guys, I already throw in 2 quarts of motor oil, and I actually love the color of this one too. It's something you don't really see in every brand. This stuff is unique. Not for anything, they're not paying me for all this, for advertising, for the promos, nothing at all. It's just, this stuff is, it's incredible. I mean, look at that. Just, I really love it. It's really great. Look at the color of this oil, motor oil, and it's beautiful, honestly. Okay, so this is the way now how it's sounding. This is the way it's sounding right now. Everything on. Sounding good. Next are spur plugs. Actually, it's quite expensive, so I need better plug plugs so that we see the next one. And now I just gotta make sure we don't have no leaking down here. So far so good. No leaking. Other side, nope. Further, have no problems with this bad boy, and so far so good. And for all this, guys, we have next leak filter, cabin filter. I showed it. I only want to touch it on dirty hands. This is. Look at the quality there. Nice quality cabin filter. I need to go back to more of the air filter because I couldn't find the brand. And this is your surprise. A nice Amsoil sticker. This is your surprise for buying them, which is pretty nice. Pretty nice of them, and they also send you all this. They're great products. You know, what you're looking for, what you need. And for more than anything, you got the best damn oil there is right now for any motor. That's the best thing you can ever have. Guys, if you have any suggestions, any something better to do, leave a comment, give a like, subscribe, and share to other friends. Thank you.